Now can we drink this juice?
Yeah. Hi guys, we're doing a experiment with Skittles. So what you need for this experiment is a bag of Skittles, a plate, any type of plate like a dinner plate or whatever plate you have, and some warm water. So one tip is to ask your parents with help for the warm water. If you don't, your finger might get burned. Okay, so let's start. So first, we'll take this out and pour them in here. Ricky, you poured yours also in your plate. Okay, so I'm gonna arrange random colors, and my sister just started keeping all the colors together. I just did random colors, while my sister did all colors together. So it's time to keep the warm water. Ooh, this is gonna be cool. The Skittles colors dissolve in water. Wow, it's already happening! Whoa! See, it's happening! Cool! See? Wow! Cool, 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 cool! Amazing! The color is dissolving. It's not going very fast, so. Now let's keep some warm water in my sister's plate and let's see how it's gonna turn into. Ooh. What's happening? It's happening because of the water. It's dissolved here, so it's dissolved in there. Yep, it's dissolving. Now it looks like a colorful donut. Soon the donut is gonna turn into a pizza. It looks good, it looks amazing. So guys, when we do random colors, it becomes like a rainbow. But if you do colors together, it looks like a donut. Guys, try this at home. It's fun to do. Don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!
Bye. Now can we drink this juice?
Yeah.